Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Lenovo keyboards combine standard F1, F12 keys with media and special functions. The keys can behave two ways depending on hotkey mode. In one mode, you press F1, F12 for volume or brightness. In the other mode, you press Fn plus F1, F12 for those actions. To change the default, quickly press Fn and ESC together and hold for 3 seconds. This toggles Fn lock on many Lenovo models and makes F1, F12 act as standard function keys. To permanently set F1, F12 behavior, reboot and enter BIOS using the Novo button. Alternatively, press F1 at boot on many Lenovo ThinkPad models to open BIOS. Once inside, navigate to Configuration and then find Hotkey Mode. Change hotkey mode to disabled if you want F1, F12 to act as standard function keys without pressing Fn. Save and exit the BIOS to apply the change. This method is reliable across most Lenovo laptops and persists after shutdown. Within Windows, use Lenovo Vantage to change function key preferences without entering BIOS. Open Lenovo Vantage and find the Input or Keyboard section to set function key behavior. If Vantage is unavailable, use the Fn plus ESC toggle for an immediate change on many models. To use a media action while hotkey mode is disabled, press and hold Fn and press the desired function key, for example Fn and F3 to mute. These methods cover software and hardware ways to control the keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.